Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for Mazda CX-5 and CX-9 owners. The PARRATI High-Performance Premium All-Season Automotive Windshield Wipers with Rear Wiper Blades. If you're looking for the best rear wiper blade for your Mazda CX-5, look no further. Let's see why this product stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about fitment. These wiper blades are specifically designed for Mazda CX-5 models since 2017 and CX-9 models since 2016. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or shine, these wipers are built to handle it all. The aerodynamic design of these blades isn't just for looks. It significantly reduces drag, noise, and wind lift, ensuring a smooth and quiet operation. Perfect for maintaining visibility during those challenging weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with these wipers. They feature a bracket-less design and come with everything you need for a DIY installation, no tools required. Plus, they're tested to ensure hassle-free setup and optimal performance. Made from high-quality natural rubber, these wiper blades are durable and built to last. They're designed to resist wear and tear, giving you reliable performance through all seasons. Now, let's talk peace of mind. PARRATI stands by their product with 24-hour online customer service to promptly address any concerns. Plus, they offer a generous 6-month after-sales service warranty. That's the kind of support every car owner can appreciate. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for the best rear wiper blade for your Mazda CX-5 or CX-9, the PARRATI High-Performance Premium All-Season Automotive Windshield Wipers with Rear Wiper Blades is a solid choice. With its easy installation, durable construction, and excellent performance in all weather conditions, it's clear why so many Mazda owners swear by these wipers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, drive safe and see you soon.